Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name blue color, red color, yellow color, black color, brown color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. Kids now coloring numbers. And first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use red color. 4. The numbers of 4 and again use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7. The numbers of 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8 and use black color. 9. The numbers of 9 and again use black color. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10 and again use black color. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and again use green color. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use blue color. Kids now draw 17. The numbers of 17 and use blue color. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18 and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 19. The numbers of 19. Kids now draw 20 and again use red color. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.